Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here across the ArkLaTex for the next week and a half, and really only one disturbance to worry about here in the next 10 days. More on that in a second. Right now you can see we do have still a bit of a west to northwesterly flow, meaning the dry conditions that we experienced yesterday have returned today. You can see the troughiness here over the Pacific Northwest. This disturbance is going to dive south into West Texas. Yesterday it looked like it would continue to move to the south of us. Now it looks like it's going to take a bit more of a northerly course, and as a result the rainfall projections, both the chances and the amounts have increased as we look ahead to Friday night, and much of Saturday. Until then, dry weather continues. As we look at Futurecast, you can see a clear sky around the area tonight. We will see plenty of sunshine across the ArkLaTex again tomorrow, with a few clouds mixing in. Tomorrow night, looking clear to partly cloudy. You can see the clouds beginning to increase. And for Wednesday, we will see a partly to mostly cloudy sky. I think for the most part we stay dry Wednesday, and probably will continue to see quite a few clouds as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday. Not a whole lot as far as rain to worry about, as temperatures will likely stay in the low to middle 60s for highs starting tomorrow and continuing through at least Thursday, and then Friday we'll see a bit more in terms of rain in the mix. You can see the clouds sticking around for Thursday night, and again Friday we will see that chance of rain return to the area. So here's that disturbance. You can see it moving south into the southern Rockies. It will begin to bring us that threat of rain. You might recall yesterday this disturbance, the center of this, according to models, was down here yesterday. So with this more northerly course, you can see the northern extent of the rain is much further to the north, and we will see that system progress its way through the area here during the daytime hours Saturday, and then once it clears, we will see another rather extended period of dry weather, maybe a little bit of a chance of rain once again very late next week. As far as rainfall potential, pretty good variation from the model blend. Northeast edge of the area, probably less than 1/10 of an inch. But further to the south, we'll see rainfall totals approaching 1.5 inches over the south and southwestern edges of the area. So again, looks like a little bit heavier rain now on the way as we close this week. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a clear sky. It'll be cold, but not as cold as last night. We did dip below freezing for the first time this season in Shreveport last night with a low of 29, 36 degrees tonight, 32 in Texarkana, 31 degrees in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, going to be looking at a partly cloudy sky, 65 for the high tomorrow, 60 in Texarkana, 60 degrees in DeQueen, and 62 for the high temperature in Marshall. 10-day forecast shows that better chance of rain Friday. Probably will reach its peak Friday night, Saturday morning, and then we'll salvage a nice conclusion to the weekend. I think sunshine will return Sunday and probably stick around through most of next week. You can see Saturday looking a bit cool with the clouds and rain around, highs staying in the 50s, but those 60s will return starting Sunday. Overnight lows for most of the 10-day period will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So again, if you like sunshine, enjoy the next couple of days, as clouds will increase Wednesday night and Thursday. Rain will increase as we look ahead to Friday and the beginning of the weekend.